If you live in Google Calendar and Notion, you already know the problem. Your schedule is in one place, your work is in another. Here's how to connect them. First, open Google Calendar and find your calendar under My Calendars in the left panel. Next, hover over the calendar name and click the three-dot icon, then select Settings and Sharing. In the left panel, click Integrate Calendar. Copy the public URL to this calendar and go to our Notion page. Next, paste the URL and select Embed from the pop-up menu. Your Google Calendar will now appear as an embedded calendar on your Notion page. If you use Notion for meeting notes, let's take it one step further with Tactiq. Install the Tactiq Chrome extension and sign up for a free account. Once you signed up, go to your dashboard. From the left side menu, click Account Settings. Next, click Integration. Make sure that your Tactiq account is connected to Google Meet and Notion. If not, let's connect it. Select Connect with Notion. Follow the prompt accordingly and select the workspace where you want your transcripts to be exported. Now that Tactiq's connected to Notion, we go back to our Notion page and click Join with Google Meet. As soon as you enter the meeting link, Tactiq will automatically transcribe the conversation in real time. No manual notes needed. Once the meeting wraps up, you will be directed to your transcript. Here you can generate your AI summary using the prompts available. If you are satisfied, hit the share button and send it to Notion. That's it. Your meeting notes land directly in your Notion workspace, structured and ready to use. Install the free Tactiq Chrome extension using the link in the description, and subscribe for more productivity tips.